and yeah, we will try our best. Of course, every race is different and difficult to fight for win. But yeah, we will see how it will go through the week, and if I don't win, it's not gonna be end of the world. And but yeah, I will give my best to try and also get through the Roman race, and yeah, no hard feelings if not.
Does this year's course suit you? Would you say?
Yeah, I think it's pretty hard race. I was when in December we set for to the Romandy. I was hoping it's gonna be 2 time trials like normally, when one prologue, 1 time trial, but it's just prologue, so I'm a bit it's one less big challenge in this race without another TT. I was quite looking forward to just test myself a bit because I don't do so many time trials. But yeah, the parcours suits me really well, so it's gonna be if everything goes well, should be fun with.
Do you already know which stages you will attack or try something?
First tomorrow prologue, all out for 3 kilometers. It's gonna be really painful for the legs and lungs. But then yeah, I think we go more or less from day to day. I think every day is good chance to attack. But I think also other teams are thinking the same, because there's so many opportunities through the week to even surprise attack maybe, and we'll see. But every stage looks pretty decent to yeah, give it a shot.